This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable tap to click on Macbook Trackpad. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. When using a Magic Trackpad or the built-in trackpad on your MacBook, by default, you need to click it down whenever you want to select something. That can get tiring pretty fast. Luckily, it doesn't have to be that way. Instead, you can just tap to click on your Mac's trackpad, which is much easier. And in this video, I will show you how to enable this feature. So you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. You can just click on trackpad. So in here, there is an option tap to click. You can just click on that. So now you can just, if you want to click on your trackpad, you don't need to click down. You can just tap on your trackpad to click something. So and here too, you can just manage. You can adjust your tracking speed. You can also see another shortcut in here, like the can enable the secondary click, look up and data detector, or scroll down, zoom in, zoom out, and rotate. You can see the another trackpad settings on here. So that is how to enable tap to click on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.